It's Monday, about 1 or 2, I'm not sure exactly what time it is. It's hot. I'm over at the trailer, and I just let the cleaning crew loose to see what they can do. Hopefully I've got the fence sufficiently closed up. So we'll see what these guys can do about cleaning up some of these weeds. Hi guys. I don't know how well you can see them. I'm sitting in the shade. And I just opened their door so they can go in and out. Took them no time at all to find my little kale over there. I'm hoping I'll still get some leaves off of that. It's such a mess out here, but I don't have a string for my weed whacker, so these guys will get the fun of the first. And everywhere I put their house, they manage to eat them or beat them down to the ground, so I think they will do just fine at taking care of the tall grasses and the weeds out here. Those are my neighbor's little yappers you hear in the background. My other neighbor back there with the machine shop, I guess, has decided to try and take down some of this tall grass. He doesn't know that a lot of that tall grass back there was compliments of my relocation project. I had brought some tall grasses from the riverbeds and had gotten them started out here. The only place they did really good was outside of where the ducks could reach them. Everywhere I put them inside my yard for the ducks, they would chomp down. They haven't come back. Only out there farther did they do well. That's my local grass over there, the native stuff. It's not nearly as tall, much thinner blades. Oh, there's a truck in here. I don't know who that truck is. Whoever it is, it's got these guys pretty round up. I would have thought all this open space would have calmed down their rowdy behavior, but It doesn't seem to have completely. I guess as long as there's too many young roosters, cockerels in the bunch, we'll probably have a lot of sparring going on. What? This was just what the chicken doctor ordered. These guys needed to get some good exercise. They're only 4 weeks old. A couple of days they'll be 5 weeks. Most people don't have them out this early, but these guys are pretty hardy. They've gotten most of their feathers in. They've still got these patches of fluff. I'm not sure what to think of these wild birds that keep flying in and out. Glad to see they remember where the water is. I'm hoping they're too smart to fall into the pond, but I will have to keep a close eye on them to be sure, because somebody just might fall in. I don't know if you can see this. I'll give you. Neighbor kids heading out to the woods with their backpacks and their air guns. Well, they're ending up behind me now. That's not so good. I'll probably come back over in a minute. Actually, I think I'm going to turn this off here. I got to get some work done. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.